Hey you guys, Jeannie here and welcome back to my channel. So let's just go ahead and get into CVS to share with you guys the deals starting January 27th through the 2nd of February. So there's some great deals. There's a printable breakdown for you guys. So let's get into it. So let's just go ahead and get into CVS to share with you guys the deals starting January 27th through the 2nd of February. So there's some great deals. There's a printable breakdown for you guys. So let's get into it. All right, you guys. So the first deal I'm going to share with you guys is on the soft soap body washes. So these are on sale, 2 for $7, and you're going to earn a $3 extra care buck when you buy 2. So you have the 2 different coupon options. So there's a printable 50-cent off 1 coupon on coupons.com. And then there's also a 75-cent off 1 coupon that came in the Smart Source 120. So what you want to do using these 75-cent coupons, buy 2 of them for $7. You'll use 2 of these 75-cent off 1 coupons, so that'll take $1.50 off. So you would pay $5.50 and then get $3 in extra care bucks back, making it $1.25 each. Now this is going to be better if you have a CRT for body wash. So these breakdowns that I have for you guys, it's without CRTs because I know everyone gets different CRTs. Some of you guys are just starting out this week. So CRTs, you're going to get them when you print them at the red machine. So the coupon center, you'll see it, it's usually red, and it's usually in the front of the store, and you're going to get these little coupons called CRTs. So these are CRTs right here. So they're specific coupons on items that you purchase. So if you have a CRT for body wash, then use it here for an even better deal. Alrighty guys, so Physicians Formula is on a spend 10, get $7 back in extra care bucks. So hopefully you held on to that 3 off 1 CRT that printed this current week. So if you haven't printed your CRTs, go print it because you're gonna get a $3 off coupon. So something that I'm gonna recommend for you guys is the facial line here at CVS. My store doesn't have the new butter collection yet, but I really enjoy this product right here. It's the 3-in-1 melting cleansing balm. So this is priced for $14.99. So if you have that 3 off 1 coupon, you can go ahead and use it here. So that's going to take it down to $11.99. And then if you have a 2 off 12 CRT for cosmetics, that's going to take an additional $2 off, making it, let's see, $9.99 I think it is. Yeah, so then it drops it down to $9.99. Am I doing my math right here? Yes, $9.99, and then you get that $7 extra care buck back, making it $2.99 after you factor in the CRTs, which is a great deal. Another nice deal that's going on here at CVS is on the CoverGirl Exhibition Mascara. So it is on sale for $8.99, and you're going to get a $3 extra care buck back when you buy 1, and there are currently printable 2 off 1s. Well, there were $2 printable coupons. I don't think it's available anymore, but if you have that coupon, use it here. But there's also a coupon coming in our inserts, so you can go ahead and, so final cost is going to be $3.99. So if you want to get something less expensive from Physicians Formula, then you can combine this exhibition mascara if you have a CRT. So you can combine CoverGirl with another cosmetic deal to use that 2 off 12 CRT, if that makes sense. But there's a printable breakdown in case you guys get lost. All right, you guys, so we have a nice deal on the Garnier Fructis. So this is going to be on the shampoo, conditioner, and also the stylers and the leave-in conditioners. So they're priced 2 for $7, and everyone's going to get an instant coupon at the red machine. So if you do not have a CVS Extra Care card, it's super easy to sign up. You can do it online or you do it at the register. So everyone's going to get that $1 off 2 coupon, and we are getting 4 off 2 coupons and the 127 Retail Me Not. And if you don't get those inserts, then there are printable coupons on coupons.com to take $1 off. So final cost is going to be 2 for 2 or $1 each. And then if you have a CRT for 4 off 18 hair care, there are a few other hair care deals that you can do, which I'm going to show you in just a minute, so you can combine the hair care deals. Okay, so there's a nice deal on the Dove shampoo. So they are priced 2 for $8 on sale. Regular price is $5.99, so 2 for $8 sale price is a great sale price. So everyone's going to get a 3 off 2 coupon at the instant coupon center machine. And we're also getting 3 off 2 coupons in the 127 Retail Me Not. So that makes these 2 for 2 or $1 each. So again, if you have a CRT for 4 off 18, then go ahead and combine hair care deals for the best savings. All right, you guys, so Nexus and the Love Beauty and Planet, they're on a spend 20, get $10 back in extra care bucks. Okay, so if you're also a Fetch Rewards member, if you're not, I'll have a link below. Enter my code, you're gonna get a free 3,000 points, but they have a bonus offer on Fetch Rewards. So when you buy any 2 Nexus shampoo or conditioners, you'll get a bonus 3,000 points, which is equivalent to $3. So I always suggest the Color Assure line if you guys have color treated hair, because there are no sulfates in it. So this is priced for $21.49. Now you can use that 4 off 18 CRT here, so that drops it down to $17.49. So you would pay $17.49, then get that $10 extra care buck back, making it $7.49. There's also some coupons coming in the inserts, but I'm not sure what item it is. I need to see the coupon, and I don't get the coupons, but definitely check your inserts for that Nexus coupon because it's scheduled to come to us. All right, you guys, so it is P&G week here at CVS. So I have a breakdown for you guys. So there are tons of items included, so I'm gonna leave the ad linked below. There are a ton of different scenarios you can do. So I'm gonna do Pampers and pizza, the double P's. P squared. So Pampers are priced for $9.99 this week. So what you can do is go ahead and buy 2 of them for $19.98. All right, you guys, so the DiGiorno pizzas, they're also priced 2 for $10. So along with those diapers, go ahead and buy 2 DiGiorno pizzas for $10. Your total is going to be $29.98. And then we're getting a 3 off 2 coupon in the P&G for the Pampers diapers. So you'll end up paying $26.98 and then get a $10 extra care buck back, making it $16.98. You guys, so the Finish dish pods, these guys are on sale for $4.99 this week. And if you still have your 2 off 1 coupons, which came from the 1/6 Smart Source, these are going to come down to just $2.99. So this is a great deal on the Finish dish pods, and it's very comparable to the Target price. So if it's your week for toilet paper, the Quilted Northern toilet papers, this is the 9 roll. It is priced for $4.99 on sale, and we are getting 50% off 1 coupons coming in the 127 Retail Me Not. So that's going to make this $4.49. So really good deal. I would suggest you go Quilted Northern if you need paper products. The Charmin is included in the spend 30 get 10, but the manufacturer coupon is only 25 cents. So anytime that the coupons for Charmin and Bounty are 25 cents, I always skipped paper products for that go around. Guys, so Cinnamon Toast Crunch, this is on sale for $1.99. Also on sale for $1.99, the Quaker Captain Crunch. So they're priced for, again, $1.99. They're printable 50% off 1 coupons on coupons.com. You can go ahead and print. So that'll make this $1.49, and the starting price here is $5.29. So that is a fantastic savings. Another deal that you can do is on the Frosted Mini Wheats. So they are priced 2 for $5. There was a printable $1 off 2 coupon on coupons.com, so that'll drop this down 2 for $4 or $2 each. Again, if you guys want to follow along with the paper version, I do have a printable breakdown. I went ahead and printed it, so I'm going around the store with my printable breakdown too, and it's definitely helpful. You guys, so different Gold Emblem snacks are on sale for $4.99. So there's a ton of like trail mix and peanut packets. So they're priced for $4.99. And if you go to cvs.com/coupons, you're going to get a printable $2 off 2 coupons. So with this coupon, when you buy 2, it makes them $7.98 for the both of them, which is great because the starting price on these guys vary from $6.19 to up to $8.99. So this is a really good deal, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this walkthrough CVS video. Don't forget to like it so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.